request our guests to please fill your glasses with any drink that you can feel and enjoying the Dr. Jess for the wine toast. So once again, palakpakan natin si Dr. Jess.
And a warm word of welcome to everyone as we are about to celebrate the 60th birthday of our beloved Auntie Rose and their siblings of the others and friends, family. Thank you for coming today. As a delight to have, it is a delight to have you with us, and special thanks to those who have traveled from afar. Every birthday is worth celebrating, while 60th birthday takes the occasion. It's always referred to as the person's diamond jubilee, or the start of our golden year. So today, actually, it's yesterday, the actual birthday, is one of the very significant milestone, a very momentous day for our birthday celebrant. She turns to have a triple citizenship. British, Filipino, and senior citizen. But as we have witnessed how she blossomed all these years, she did very well. And I know, may nagling and Painong said, of course, is very happy with your achievements. Wish they are here to celebrate with us. I would like to grab an opportunity to thank you for helping me for all of these years. If not with you, I wouldn't have become a doctor. So you're such an inspiration to me. I hope you inspire more. I wish you a healthier and happier life ahead, and that God may grant you a long life that could enjoy to the fullest. I would like to propose a cheers. So maybe this is it. I would like to propose a cheers. So please grab your glass right in with.
Ganun ba yun?
There. So,
Cheers.
60 years and beyond. Happy birthday, Auntie Rose. Cheers to.
Cheers!
Alright, cheers everyone! Ayun.
Cheers!
And happy birthday daw po. So, let's begin the party. So, ayan po. Sige, Ms. Rose. Ayan. Alright, so...
Thank you for watching, everyone.